Hi, I'm Paul Kozak from the Adventure Bike Shop. We're the importers and suppliers of Dane Adventure Wear from Holland. One of the things we're going to do is to show you how waterproof our jacket is. We're going to put some coloured paper on the front and some more on the back. And Brownie, my assistant here, he's going to walk around with a pressure washer and show us how it's done. So anyway, we'll start off with this.
We're not messing around. We got the big guns here, the gurney. So hopefully doesn't blow you away, Paul.
Actually, the jacket needs a good wash. She's been in a bit of mud and rolling around on the ground on different little incidents. So it's probably a good time to. And the paper's gone, Brownie. See if we can stick it up under there.
Complete professionals.
Yep. So one of the other little tests we're doing at the same time is just to show how waterproof the pockets are. Got a dissolvable tablet in. We're going to put it in the phone pocket, and two other ones. If I can find them. Oh, I've got all sorts of things in here, Brownie. Even found some money. An old plastic bag. There's another dissolvable tablet, and one in this pocket here as well. Put me little magnet, little flipper across, and it's getting hot in here. Tie it up.
We picked a nice day to film this. It is touching 30 degrees.
Ready to rock and roll, Brownie? Give it a go, give us your best. So far the only thing that's wet on me round is me great feeling motocross gloves.
and they're not supposed to be waterproof, so that's okay.
Back is still a bit dirty. I've got some soap.
No, not yet. We're still filming. We're still filming. The whole family wants to get stuck into pool.
Well, see how we go with our coloured paper. Take the helmet off. I don't know why I've done the strap off.
Wait until it's over. The family's so eager to squirt him.
Let's see.
Did you do that up?
Yep.
Even the dogs are lining up.
Look at that. Not a drop of water.
Well, there's a little one.
And down the back.
Let's try the back. All right.
Check out the little tablets.
Hang on.
I can find them. More plastic bags.
They are.
Look at that. Not a drop.
No
of water.
drops. That's the one that came from the back. This is the one that came from the front. It's got a little bit of water down in the bottom corner.
For the final test, just to see how waterproof the pockets are.
And you forgot to even do that bit up.
And zip here, I forgot to do it up, but the tablet's still as dry as. Where's it gone? There's a bloody tablet, Brownie.
Magic disappearing act.
In the disappearing pocket somewhere.
What? There it is.
Where is it?
There it is.
2 tablets, the other one. And final pocket. So that.
Oh shit. Just dropped it.
Dry as.
But it is dry. Very dry. All three.
Right. Beautiful. Just shows how waterproof the pockets are.
Yep.
I have carried stuff in there. I've been riding for hours and hours in the rain, and it's not just a 5-minute test. It's been hours and hours of testing in the rain, riding on the road, and never have a problem. As I say, I put my phone in the top pocket. It's fine. Doesn't need a waterproof liner. The material itself is waterproof, and being the GoreTex Pro, the extra Pro bit, material's really solid. It's a really strong thread that's been sewn in with the normal Gore-Tex, and it's very abrasion resistant.